Here's how to WhatsApp voice message volume low fix. First, make sure your phone isn't connected to any Bluetooth device. If it is, disconnect Bluetooth and play the voice message again. While the voice message is playing, press the volume up button on your iPhone. Then open Control Center and make sure the volume is turned all the way up there as well. Hope it will fix it. If not, check your proximity sensor. iPhones automatically switch audio to the earpiece when the top sensor is covered, so hold your phone away from your ear. Do not cover the top of the screen with your hand or phone case. Hope this will fix your issue. If not, restart your iPhone and test the voice message again. Still having the issue? Open the App Store. Search for WhatsApp and update if an update is available. Finally, check your phone's speaker. Dust or dirt can block sound and lower the volume. Gently clean the speaker area using a soft brush or a dry cloth. Avoid using water or sharp objects. After trying these steps, your WhatsApp voice message volume should be back to normal. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Thanks for watching.